If you're serious about your health and want to incorporate fresh, nutrient-rich juices into your diet, this AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Masticating Juicer, Spray, updated, is a kitchen essential. This juicer is designed to extract the maximum amount of juice from your fruits and vegetables while preserving vital nutrients and minimizing oxidation. Whether you're an experienced juicer or just starting out, this AMZCHEF juicer will not only meet but exceed your expectations. Let's explore why this juicer is a game changer for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. At the heart of the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer is its advanced 7-spiral masticating system. Unlike traditional centrifugal juicers that rely on high-speed blades, this juicer uses a slow, methodical masticating process to extract juice. Operating at a low speed of around 80 RPM, the juicer ensures minimal oxidation, which means your juice retains more vitamins, enzymes, and nutrients. The slow speed also reduces heat buildup, preserving the natural flavors of your ingredients. The 7-spiral system maximizes juice yield, meaning you get more juice out of your produce, saving you money in the long run. This feature is especially useful when juicing fibrous vegetables like celery, ginger, or leafy greens. The juicer effectively breaks down the fibers, resulting in smooth, nutrient-dense juice that's free from excess pulp. What sets the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer apart from others is its versatility. This juicer can do more than just juice fruits and vegetables. With the right attachments, sold separately, you can transform the juicer into a meat grinder or a slicer shredder. This makes it a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of tasks beyond juicing. This versatility is perfect for those who want to save space in their kitchen while still having access to powerful tools. Whether you're making fresh juice, grinding meat for homemade burgers, or slicing vegetables for a salad, the AMZCHEF juicer has you covered. One of the first things you'll notice about the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer is its sleek, compact design. The gray finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen, making it a stylish addition to your countertop. But it's not just about looks. This juicer is also highly functional and user-friendly. The juicer features a small feeder chute, which adds an extra layer of safety, especially when juicing with children. The smaller chute ensures that seeds are removed before juicing, which helps maintain the original taste of the juice while reducing bitterness. This thoughtful design feature makes the juicing process safer and more enjoyable for the whole family. The juicer is equipped with intelligent protection chips, automatically stop the machine after 20 minutes of continuous operation. This prevents overheating and ensures the longevity of the motor. Additionally, the reverse function is a handy feature that prevents clogging and makes cleaning easier. If any food gets stuck, simply activate the reverse function, clear the blockage, without disassembling the machine. No one wants to spend hours assembling or cleaning a juicer, and that's why the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer is designed with simplicity in mind. Assembly is straightforward, and all detachable parts are made from high-quality food-grade antioxidant materials. These parts are easy to clean, and the included cleaning brush helps remove any remaining pulp or debris from the nooks and crannies. The juicer is also easy to disassemble, which makes cleaning after each use quick and hassle-free. Just rinse the parts under running water, and you're good to go. The durable materials ensure that the juicer can withstand regular use without showing signs of wear and tear. The slow masticating process used by the AMZCHEF juicer is ideal for those who are serious about maintaining a healthy diet. The low-speed operation ensures that the juice retains more of its natural nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants, which are essential, promoting overall health. This makes the AMZCHEF juicer perfect for anyone who wants to get the most out of their fruits and vegetables. Whether you're juicing for weight loss, detoxification, or simply to enjoy a delicious glass of fresh juice, this juicer delivers high-quality results every time. The AMZCHEF juicer is particularly effective at extracting juice from leafy greens and fibrous vegetables, which are known for their numerous health benefits. By making fresh juice a regular part of your diet, you can boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and support a strong immune system. AMZCHEF is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. The slow cold press juicer comes with a 2-year warranty on the motor and a 2-year guarantee on normal accessory exchanges. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Masticating Juicer, Gray Updated, is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to prioritize their health and enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed juices every day. Its advanced 7-spiral masticating system ensures maximum juice yield with minimal oxidation, preserving essential nutrients and flavors. The versatile design allows you to use the juicer as a meat grinder or slicer shredder, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. With its user-friendly features, safety mechanisms, and easy maintenance, this juicer is perfect for both beginners and experienced juicers alike. The sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and the intelligent protection chips ensure the longevity of the motor. Backed by a 2-year warranty and excellent customer support, AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer is a reliable and efficient tool that will help you lead a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.